It's Happy Mail Queen. Happy Tuesday to everybody. I have a haul for you guys. I did go to Hobby Lobby again last week because I wanted to pick up some more of those paper kits for Happy Mail. So I did find some more, and I'm not going to show you guys the other paper kits because I've already shared. But this is the new kit that I got that my BFF Erica had hauled and shared. And I did see this the first time I went, but I was trying to be good and not get every single one at that time. But let's take a look at it. Or just a really quick one. I'm not going to open every little thing. But as you can see, the ephemera pack is so stinking cute. And I absolutely love these hearts. I mean, just for this alone, I had to get this kit. But everything's just adorable. Now, this is a baby themed. And it's called Darling, Dearest. Let's see, do I have a SKU? I'm trying to look. Oh yeah, it's right here. 1674738. I hope you can see that. Right there. And I'm sure eventually they'll have this online if they haven't already. So as you guys know, they come with stickers, the alphas, the enamel stickers, and then all the papers. And then here are the ephemera pieces, just so you can see without me having to open the package. But I will put my BFF's link down below because she did share this on her video. So I just think it's so cute, and I just have to look at all the papers right now, you guys. So just really quick, because this is, you know, going to be a small haul. Look at these little swans. I mean, Hobby Lobby knows what we like, right? They know that the little deers are just super cute and adorable, and we're loving it. And even the little bunnies. And then the clouds. I mean, come on, they have faces. It's just adorable, and I just love the colors. Even the trees, come on. Look at these. It's just too cute. Okay, so that's it. Again, you get five different styles or different patterns. You get 2 of each. Okay, so I had to share that one because it's just too adorable. All right, so that was my run the last time I went. I did decide to get these because I don't think I ever picked these up. I think I picked up the other swans that were white and pink, I think, but I don't believe I ever picked this up. And with all the Maggie Holmes papers I have now, this is a must. So these were 50% off last week, as well as this. I had to go back for some more of these, and this is Coffee and Jesus. I love it. Especially this one right here. All I need today is a little bit of coffee and a whole lot of Jesus. Love it. And then I love this one too. Even the hairs of your head are all numbered. Luke 12:7. Love that one. And this says blessed because I do feel very blessed. And I just love everything about that sticker. And then I found another Beauty and the Beast metal die, which was clearance, which I'm surprised. So I don't know if somebody returned this because I don't recall seeing this before. And I think hopefully this completes my little Disney die haul, because my another one of my besties also got me some more of these. So and I'll get to that on another video. Okay, so then the only other thing that I want to share with you guys from Hobby Lobby is this sign that I got. These last week, well, they could be still 40% off. I think these are 40% off. I had mentioned before that I'm not going to decorate for Halloween this year, even though I have tons of stuff. And I think that's what it is, because I have tons of stuff. I'm kind of afraid to like bring it all out, because I'm just gonna go crazy with it, and I just don't have time to clean up. I'm still organizing my whole house. But I thought this would be nice to, you know, put up, and it says thankful. It's a pretty big sign. I mean, I would say it's like maybe 22 to 23 inches long. I don't know if the dimensions are on here. Oh yeah, it is. It's 25.96 inch by 1.77 inch. That's the thickness, by 7.99. So it's almost, I guess it's almost 8-inch tall. I didn't even realize how big it was. And it looks like it's 3 layers of wood that they glued together, just like they do with those chipboards. But what's nice about it is it can sit this way on your mantle. When I bought it, I was actually going to put it in on my kitchen table as a decoration, and then, you know, put some pumpkins around it. And I am obsessed with white pumpkins this year. So I got this ceramic pumpkin. It's hollow. They were, so again, these were 40% off. All the fall stuff is 40% off at Hobby Lobby. And this is a Robert Stanley signature collection, and these were $5.99 minus 40% off. So it came out to like roughly $3.59 for these. And then my big sign came out to about 15 bucks. So you have grateful, blessed, and I can't remember if there was another 2 more, but I got the thankful as well. So, but the thankful is going to stay on my desk. And then these 3 are going to go downstairs on my kitchen table, either there, I have to see, or my mantle. But aren't they adorable? They're just so cute. And they just fit in the palm of my hand right here. As you can see, that's the size. And, you know, it shouldn't be too hard to store. So they have bigger ceramic pumpkins, but that's just too much for me to store away. So anyway, that is my small little Hobby Lobby haul. And stay tuned, because I will be back with another haul from Daiso, from Target, just a little bit, you know, it's not like a crazy big haul or anything, and just some gifts that my friends gave me. All right, I'll talk to you guys later. Thanks so much for watching, and have an awesome day. Bye for now.